Hey guys, Miata Man here. Today we've got a 1991 British Racing Green Miata belonging to my good friend Mark. He's had a few little issues with some electrical lately. Yesterday it was over and he had no signals at all, front or rear, which was kind of odd. And today, well, I figured out what that was yesterday, by the way. Today he says he's got no wipers and he's also got no daytime running lights. So those two are related, and I'm going to show you what we did for each of those fixes, especially on a super rainy day when you really need wipers. So let's get in here for a minute and I will show you what's up. So first of all, while we're under here, the daytime running light relay is this green box right there, up under the dash. Now the one next to it that isn't plugged in right now is the irritating buzzer. I've made another video on how to unplug that, which takes all of about 2 seconds, and then your problems are over with that irritating buzz when the door's open and the key's in. Now this here is your fuse box for the interior, and on that fuse box I'm just going to pull the cap off of it and I'm going to explain to you what does what here. So it turns out that all the turn signals, oh, there we go, that's better. So all of the turn signals run through the fuse that is called Hazzard. Okay, so that's this one here, this 15 amp fuse. So if you've got a Miata that's an NA 90 to 97, if all of your signals are down, not working, check the Hazzard fuse. And as this one was, it was blown, and so I made sure I used the spare one that's in the fuse holder, and then I put another one in right after, so just in case it happens again, there's one there. Now with the daytime running lights not working, that was a bit of a head scratcher. We checked everything, then we realized the wipers were also not working as soon as it started pouring rain. And the daytime running light and the wipers are on the same fuse. So you've got a 20 amp fuse here. It's a yellow one. As you can see, it was blown, and as soon as we put that in, problem solved. So there is definitely something going on in the wiring in this car. Could be some of the accessories that are on it, but I just wanted to recap real fast with you guys. If you've got no signals at all, change your Hazzard fuse, which is a 10 amp, a blue one. And if you've got no daytime running lights or no wipers, or both at the same time, change that wiper fuse to 20 amp, and hopefully that'll get you up and running. Now, as a side note, if you've got intermittent wipers and intermittent heater or fan control, sometimes a fan cuts in and out or the wipers stop working, jiggle your ignition key around, and if they start working all of a sudden, then you know you have an ignition switch problem. So I hope that helps you guys out. If there's any questions or comments, put them underneath. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll try to make more videos for you soon. Thanks guys, have a great day.